Technology, also known simply as AT, is defined as any device, piece of equipment, or system that helps compensate for an individual's specific learning deficits. For children with social emotional delay or impairment, ATs like social stories can be beneficial for them. Social stories consist of simple pictures, symbols, and words describing a targeted activity or social situation in a story format, which can be easily understood by children. Our AT is an interactive social story shown on an iPad, with the current focus social skill on sharing. Children are offered with the option of choosing what action to do next. Their selection will show the consequences of their action. The social story is accompanied with audio to accommodate children with varying language ability. Here is the demonstration of how the AT works.
I can share with my friends. My name is Amelia. I love to play with the toy bear. My friend Jessie likes to play with the toy bear too. In the afternoon, Jessie is playing with my favorite toy bear. I want to play. What should I do? Choose the correct answer. A. Shout at my friend. Or B. Ask Jessie, can I have a turn next, please? Oh, shouting is not a nice thing to do. I should be polite and ask my friend nicely for the toy bear. Perhaps we could try again using the magic word. That's right. We should ask Jessie, can I have a turn next, please? Jessie will be happy to hear me say the word please when I am asking for things. If my friend says wait, I will choose the correct answer. A. Watch the sand timer fall and wait for my turn. Or B. Snatch the toy bear. That's right. My friend can play happily and it will be my turn next. After watching all the sand fall. When Jessie shares the toy bear with me, I will say thank you. After I'm done playing, what should I say? Choose the correct answer. A. I do not want to share. B. Jessie, your turn to play. Oh, Jessie would be upset to hear that. She shared the toy bear with you after she was done playing. Sharing is always caring. Let's try again. That's right. You should say, Jessie, your turn to play. You are a good friend. You take turns and share your toy bear with your friend. Good job. Sometimes it is my turn to go first, and sometimes it is not. Sometimes when we play with toys, I may want the toy that my friend has, but I cannot snatch it from them. This may make my friend sad. I cannot hit my friends to get the toy I want. They will be hurt and sad, and that makes me a bad friend. It is fun to share my toys with my friends. When I share, my friends are happy. This makes me a good friend. When my friends are happy, I am happy too. We can keep playing together. The end.
The AT could be used on its own as a story at the Language and Literacy Corner. And as a follow-up activity, educators could provide puppets for children to practice the appropriate social behavior. Parents could use this AT at home to discuss on other ways on dealing with social skills such as conflict management or even making a new friend. Having this AT would foster independent learning in children, guiding them through decision making after understanding the appropriate action and consequences in the story. The AT also encourages self-regulation, helping children learn how to manage their emotions when faced with a conflict, while developing relevant social skills. Our AT aims to cultivate resilience in children when we provide them an option to try again. This is to let them understand that there are different ways of solving a conflict. For more social emotional delay or impairment related resources and information, do scan this QR code or visit our website at tinyurl.com/sedi-edu-blog.